with, here's steps taken, so me taking steps, I made up to 7 steps, and here's the distance walked in feet. So the first thing I'm just going to show you is how to make an XY scatter plot. Now it might be different in different types of Excel or different in OpenOffice, but it's going to work kind of the same, so you have to look for key things. Like I highlight the data, and then I'm going to go to my charts. On mine, I have this scatter plot. If you don't have one, you have to go to the line, I think, and make sure you choose X, Y, scatter. So I'm going to go to scatter plot, and I just want my mark scatter. So I have my dots, and it makes a scatter plot for me. Labels the axis, distance, or labels it distance walked in feet. So you can see that I have all my dots kind of in a row. They actually form what's called like a linear pattern. And if I right click my dot and I go add trend line, you'll see this table come up on mine anyway. And I have linear, logarithmic, polynomial, moving average, exponential, and power models. So these are all different algebraic models that you can use to find equations of data. And if you look, see how this one's a straight line and my data kind of appears to be a straight line? It doesn't appear to be curving like a logarithmic or polynomial or moving average. No, doesn't appear to be exponential and doesn't appear to be a power model really. It looks like a straight line, and that's really what linear is. So then I go, okay. So I have my linear model. It draws a line through my data. Now if I want to, but I want my equation to, I want it to give me the equation of that line. What is the equation of my line? So I'll go back to add trend line, and if you look in here, you're going to have something called options, maybe not in the same place as mine, but I think it's typically called options. And I'm going to check the box that says display equation on chart. We won't worry about the r squared value on chart right now. Let's just work on display equation on chart. Go OK. Now I can move that equation wherever I want. Now let's look. This means 3.39x minus 0.04583. So what that's telling me is my y-intercept is a little bit below 0, but we knew it was kind of 0. And then it's telling me my slope here is 3.4-ish. So on average, if you look at it, that's what this increases. That's what it goes up by. So in all reality, every step I take is about approximately 3.39 or 3.4 feet. I hope that helps explain how to do an XY scatter and how to insert your trend line, how to get the equation of that trend line of your data. This should help you a lot with your knot activity.